Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm from Brazil. I am a singer and songwriter. I talked to you maybe 20 days ago.
Yeah.
In LA.
Yeah. And you sent your song, as we encouraged you to do.
Yeah.
And Esther heard it and thinks it's magnificent.
Oh.
And is in the process of sending it to those people who were there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I just moved to LA.
Yeah.
Because everything is doing very well.
Yes.
Thank you, God.
Who's in the vortex?
Yeah. I'm feeling so powerful.
You are powerful.
Huh?
You are powerful.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. I'm feeling happy, very happy all the time, and so powerful. And
do you believe that your happiness is dependent upon conditions, or do you think you have risen above conditions and you've just found, for now, you've tapped into true alignment and therefore happiness? Do you think your happiness is because things are going well? Do you think your happiness is because you moved to Los Angeles? Do you think your happiness is because you've been in the hot seat twice? Do you think your happiness is because Esther likes your song? Or do you think your happiness is unconditional?
Unconditional.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Okay.
We're glad you're sure.
So I'm just thinking I'm lost now. But
well, we distracted you just a little bit.
Yeah.
But it's all right. Just settle into what you wanted to ask. But this is an important distinction. I feel really happy, and we want you to feel happy. And we are so enjoying when thoughts have turned to things that you like, because it's easy to perpetuate happiness when thoughts are turning to things that you like. But most of you have got some thoughts that are turning to things that you don't like. And we don't want your happiness or your not happiness to be dependent upon what's turning out. We want you to step back in this knowing of this process that you can be unconditionally happy, because it will serve you so well in times when you're still peeling off the layers of the onion and still working on some beliefs that maybe are a little bit still in your way. Yeah. We want you to enjoy the journey. We want you to be happy about the journey, no matter where the journey is today.
And enjoy the trio.
Say again?
My accent, sorry.
It's all right.
How do you say? Trio? Enjoy. Thank you. Enjoy the
yeah.
Yeah. So I'm doing this, and because I'm feeling happy unconditional, to got here, to got San Francisco, everything happened very, very well. I got three seats, you know.
We do.
Yeah, I was the flight, and the lady said, you can sit over there, and I said okay, and I was alone, so everything is doing.
Well, the thing that we're wanting to say to you is this is the perfect opportunity for you to hear what we're giving to you. Things are always working out for you, even if there is someone on either side of you. And that's the unconditional that we're talking about. Easy to feel happy when you got the whole row to yourself. Not so easy when there's a screaming baby and a sneezing woman. So that's why we're playing with you about the unconditional. But you can get so focused upon the well-being that hindering beliefs don't become active. This is the belief conversation that we want to go further about. Hindering beliefs do not need to become active, because it's sort of like a radio station can only play one song at a time, yeah? So if they're playing a happy song, they're not playing an unhappy song at the same time. So since we're talking about what you're broadcasting, because what you're broadcasting is what your point of attraction is, if you just keep broadcasting happy, even when a current condition is still maybe a little momentum left over from something that you haven't cleaned up yet, eventually it will all get cleaned up.